Hey guys, all of you are doing okay. I'm here at the market again to buy some groceries, and I'm going to make nan lu zha ji, right? Which is red fermented tofu chicken, marinated chicken. So this red fermented tofu is actually a Cantonese dish. Started with nan lu pai gu, right? Which is a very popular Zhi Char dish in Singapore. And there's a nan lu zha ji as well. So, and I'm going to do it in air fryer, so it's going to be healthy because less oil, and all that. So this red fermented tofu is seldom used as the one that we use, the fuzu, that we use for porridge and all that. So we use this more for marination, like char siu or chicken, right? So let's do red fermented tofu fried chicken, air fried chicken, right? Today, let's go.